Hi guys, I'm Jesse Clave. In this video, we will discuss about ProCup. Direct to the point po tayo para hindi na po humaba yung video. Who is ProCup? ProCup is the first company in the world that offer game loss protection or gaming insurance. So kung may tinatawag na life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, etc. kay ProCup may tinatawag na gaming insurance. So how it works? Very simple lang po. Using the ProCup platform, you just play the 7 consecutive rounds in the prediction game and follow the ProCup Quantum 7 formula. So if you win bago matapos ang 7 rounds, your earnings will be split 50-50. 50% goes to your account, 50% goes to ProCup. However, if you lose all the 7 rounds, dyan po papasok ang participation ni ProCup. Because your capital is insured, ProCup will return your capital to your account so that you can start again the prediction game. So unlike traditional casino offline or online casino, wala po silang ino-offer na capital or gaming insurance. So kapag natalo ka, talo ka na, wala na yung puhunan mo, goodbye na. So dito sa ProCup, insured ang puhunan mo. So ang concern mo is, gambling pala yan, sugal pala yan, ayaw ka niyan, bawal sa religion namin yan, etc. Guys, dito sa ProCup, business side po ang ginagawa natin. Tinuturuan po tayo paano palaguin ang pera natin sa tamang paraan. Gambling is different po. Gambling develop addiction, greediness, emotions, indiscipline, hanggang sa masira buhay mo kakasugal. Dito sa ProCup, 1 win a day lang tayo allowed maglaro. So in this policy, hindi magiging greedy si player, walang magiging addict sa sugal, walang choice si player, kundi maghintay ulit ng kinabukasan para makapaglaro. So kung ini-insist mo pa rin na still gambling si ProCup, it's okay, may other option ka pa rin. Pwede kang mag-autoplay option kung saan si ProCup na mismo maglalaro ng account mo para sa'yo. But the win sharing is 60-40 na. 40% goes to player, 60% goes to ProCup. ProCup legalities. ProCup is international registered and governed under Seychelles Financial Service Authority in 2022. And ProCup also is not alone. They are also looking for bigger body and backup to ensure providing capital protection. So they partner with National Insurance Alliance Limited. So National Insurance Alliance Limited has over 25 years experience in providing general insurance. In fact, before you can partnership with National Insurance Alliance, you need to show at least $25 million liquidating funds. And ProCup has a $50 million insurance pool last October 2023. So it's a sign that ProCup is a big-time company. ProCup is also SEC registered this year 2024. We have also Manila VIP Lounge located at BGC. You can visit there and bring your clients. And also we have offices in Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, and China. Founders po ng ProCup, Sir James Teo, Spencer Chan, Andrew Tan, and Desmond Tan, wala po sa picture. And of course, legal attorney po ng ProCup. At the same time, player na rin po, Attorney Freddy Villamor. If you are familiar with the program Wanted sa Radyo by Rapi Tulpo, regular host attorney po doon si Attorney Freddy Villamor. So imagine, Wanted sa Radyo, takbuhan po yan ng mga taong nabibiktima ng scam. Then si Attorney Villamor nasa ProCup. So it's clear na legit po si ProCup dahil 100 times po yan pinag-aralan, pinag-isipan ni attorney bago pumasok sa ProCup. So if you notice the picture guys, nasa CIDG office po sila. Actually, there's a story behind this picture kung bakit andyan po sila sa CIDG. Kwento ko na rin po para aware na din kayo. So way back October 2023, nag-launch po si ProCup ng first event nila dito sa Philippines. But unfortunately, may nag-report sa CIDG na pyramiding scam daw po kuno si ProCup. So CIDG together with the media, they raid the ProCup during the event. So lahat ng founders and players na andun sa event ay dinala po sa CIDG office for further investigation. But of course, hindi po napatunayan na pyramiding scam si ProCup. In fact, you cannot find anyone or individual complaining about ProCup or victimized by ProCup. So as you can see in the picture, happy lahat sila together with the director of CIDG. And ProCup are still operating here in the Philippines as of recording this video, July 2024. Okay, so let's continue. So bakit kayang ibalik ni ProCup yung capital natin? Hindi ba malulugi si ProCup? According to statistics, 8 players out of 1,000 lang po ang natatalo sa 7 consecutive rounds. So that is 0.78% lang. Wala pa sa 1% yung mga natatalo. So the majority win is 99.22%. So it means sa dami ng player ni ProCup, 99.22% na winners ay kayang-kaya i-cover yung losses niya na 0.78% lang. I will show you also my actual account data to support the fact. So here's my account data for the month of June 2024. I have 9 different types of accounts. So as you can see, one of my account, JC, in 1 month of playing, 1 time lang po ako natalon or na insurance. Same as my other account, PD02 and PD05. And the rest po, wala pong talo. And as you can see, the playing rounds, madalas 1, 2, or 3 rounds lang po ay winning na. So, bihirang-bihira lang po tayo umabot sa 5 to 7 rounds. So, here are the ProCup model, how it works. So, from ProCup itself, meron siyang player. And para makapaglaro si player ng prediction games, ProCup is partner with online gaming casino operator, which is AE Sexy. And once the player hit the 1 win a day, the 50% of daily winning goes to player account. And the rest 50% goes to ProCup reserve pool. And the part of this 50% goes to National Insurance Alliance for your capital protection. However, in the event you lose the 7 rounds, your capital is protected. ProCup and National Insurance Alliance will return your money into your account. By the way, in terms of Pogo issue, AE Sexy is Singapore-based company. Hindi po sila related sa mga Pogo dito sa Pilipinas. What are the player's account option? We have basic account. Capital is $2,470 with starting bet of $10. We have also enhanced account. Capital is $12,350 with starting bet of $50. We have also deluxe account. Capital is $24,700. Starting bet of $100. And the last is superior account. Capital is $74,100. Starting bet is $300. So here are the playing formula. If your account is basic 2 for 70, so your first round bet start with $10 and follow the formula up to 7 rounds. So if you total the amount from the first to 7 rounds, that is equivalent to your capital of 2,470. So it means wala pong binawas or ginalaw si ProCup sa pera mo. So kung magkano ang pinasok mong kapital, yun din ang gagamitin mong panglaro. You can terminate your account anytime if ayaw mo na, which is malabong mangyari yon as based of our experience sa sobrang ganda ng earnings, we never have planned to terminate. So this is our daily winning percentage. If your account is basic 2 for 70, your first round bet is $10. So if you won at the first round, your winning is $5 because of 50-50 win sharing. $5 is 0.2% as your minimum daily basis and 6% as your minimum in 1 month. So we are only talking the minimum percentage or the worst case if ever. So here are the example of winning illustration. So if your account is basic 2 for 70, your daily winning depend on which round did you won. Say for example, if you won at the third round, your winning is $15 and that is 0.6% on daily basis and 18% on the monthly basis. And according to data, the average winning per month is playing at least 10% per month. And that is correct, guys, because if we go back to my actual account data, you will see that the average rounds per month is in between of 2 rounds. So that is 10% per month. So, kung meron kang basic account na $2,470 or 144,000 pesos, pwede kang kumita at least minimum 14,000 per month. So, kung nasa bangko lang ang pera mo, hindi po yan kikita ng ganyang kalaki. So, much better dito natin palaguin sa ProCup. Sa bangko, tulog ang pera mo, kakainin pa ng inflation. Dito sa ProCup, ikaw pa rin ang may control sa pera mo. Anytime, pwede ka mag-terminate kung ayaw mo na. So as of year 2023, total players po ni ProCup ay more than 24,000 coming from around the world. And as of recording this video, July 2024, more or less 80,000 na po ang players ni ProCup. And the same year, 2023, total packages sign up ay umabot po ng $90 million. So in summary, ProCup is a player management platform which provide capital protection program while playing prediction games. ProCup provides formula which is Quantum 7 which has winning rate of 99.22%. Even we have 0.78% losing rate. Don't worry because we are covered. And through ProCup platform and formula, we are able to eliminate emotions, greediness, and indiscipline. So in short, we are not doing gambling. 1 win a day is enough to earn decent money. In ProCup, 50-50% win sharing generates 6 to 42% per month without recruitment or sales quota. And of course, just play 5 to 10 minutes per day and that's it. And of course, meron din tayong incentive rewards para sa mga gustong mag-build ng network or mag-build ng community. So for direct referral, if your account is basic, meron kang 5% sa bawat referral mo. Say for example, meron kang na-refer na enhanced account. So 5% of $12,350 is $617.5 multiplied by 58 pesos, our currently dollar-peso exchange. So you will receive around 35,000 pesos as your direct referral commission. We have also development rewards for basic account up to 5 levels. For level 1, 8%, level 2, 6%, level 3 to 5, 4%. So here are the example for your level 1. Let's say meron kang 5 players na basic account lahat, and assuming na lahat sila ay first round lang nanalo. So meron silang $5 each times 5. A total win of $25. So 8% of $25, meron kang $2. Take note guys, lahat yan ay araw-araw maglalaro. So meron kang araw-araw na minimum $2. And we are talking guys on first level only. And what if meron ka pang second to fifth level, di ba? So we have also the leadership rewards. Just meet the criteria to reach 1 star to 5 star. For example, to get 1 star, you need to build 3 communities with minimum $20,000 each community, so that you will have the benefit of 1% for every new sign up in your team or community, and it will up to 2% if you build another 3 communities with $2,470 for each community, and or 3% if you build another 3 communities with at least $20,000 for each community. So this is the illustration. So that's it guys. Thank you for having with me until the end of this video. Hope you will be part of my team soon. If you have any follow-up questions, something is not clear to you, just feel free to message me. So that's it guys. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. God bless.